This past week, multiple storms and damaging winds knocked out power across Michigan. DTE is committed to 95% restoration by Sunday. We understand how frustrating it is to be without electricity. We've had 2,800 workers in the field on 16-hour shifts to restore power quickly and safely, and will continue to strengthen the grid to better withstand the increased severe weather. We appreciate your patience.